There are plenty of great electric cake pop makers to choose from, such as Babycakes, Health & Home, Cucina Pro, Brentwood, Holstein Housewares. It's difficult for customers to make a shopping decision. To help you find the top 5 best electric cake pop makers that meet different needs, we have carefully researched a large amount of electric cake pop makers that may help you make the right decision. Let's watch the video. Welcome to Best Get. We review kitchen and dining products. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Number 1. Babycakes CP12 Cake Pop Maker. This is one very effective baby pop maker for large parties. It is also very easy to clean and upholds your safety by alerting you when the pop maker is powered and when it is hot and ready to use. You will love it. That is also small in size, which means it takes us little kitchen counter space. However, it does not come with a thermostat in case you are specific on the temperatures you want your cakes pops to bake. Reasons to buy. You can use it to make baby cake pops for many people at the same time since it makes 12 pops at the same time. It is easy to clean since its baking plates are non-stick. Once placed on the counter, it is firm and steady since it comes with non-skid feet. Storing is quite easy because it is small in size and comes with a cord wrap that makes managing the electric cords quite easy. It will alert you when it is plugged in thanks to the power indicator, which is good for your safety. The indicator lights also alert you when it is adequately preheated and ready for use. Number 2. Cucina Pro Multi-Cake Pops Baker. If you are looking for more than just a pop cakes maker, then this is your best bet. You can also use it to make pies or just grill your sandwiches, which will give you so much value for your money. It is also easy to clean thanks to its non-stick coating and the fact that the skillets are machine washable. You save a lot of time if you are using it to make baby cake pops since it has the capacity to make 18 at the same time. However, you will have to create space for it on your kitchen counter as it quite bulky. Reasons to buy. You get value for money since it has 3 skillets which you can exchange and make pie or grill sandwiches apart from making baby cake pops. It will serve you for a very long time since it is made of stainless steel, which is very durable and long-lasting. You can control the amount of heat using the heat control knob, thus making it efficient for baking different pastries that require different baking temperatures. It is easy to clean thanks to its non-stick coating and the fact that the skillets are machine washable. It will save you a lot of time since it can make 19 baby cake pops at the same time. Number 3. Holstein Housewares Cake Pop Maker. This is another cakes pops maker that you can use for a home to save time since it makes many cake pops at the same time. You will also find it easy to clean afterward due to its non-stick baking plates. Something else is that it can be shut tightly to ensure that the baking temperatures are optimal. It comes with a handle that you can use to carry it in case you need to move it around. However, if you are going to be making 12 baby cake pops at the same time, you will need to be very fast in filling the pods, otherwise you will end up with unevenly baked cakes. Reasons to buy. You will have an easy time cleaning it since it comes with non-stick cooking plates. It is easy to move around, especially when it is time to store it thanks to its handle. You will find it safe to use since it comes with a power-on indicator light that will save you from accidental burns. Its ready indicator light also alerts you when it is ready for baking for optimal results. Number 4. Brentwood TS254 Cake Pop Maker. This is another baby pop maker that is very good for parties since it can make 12 baby cake pops at the same time. You can also make cinnamon buns and donut holes with it. It is also small in size, which means it takes up very small kitchen space. It will also be easy to store it. You will also love the power and preheat indicator light, though it does not come with a thermostat. Reasons to buy. It does not take up a lot of kitchen counter space due to its small size. It saves you time if you are hosting a large group and you want to make many cake pops at a go. You will find it quite easy to clean thanks to its non-stick baking plates. Number 5. Health & Home Cake Pops Pan. This is easily the best cake pop maker within its price category thanks to its design and the fact that it is designed to distribute heat evenly to guarantee better results. It also comes with an indicator light which lets you know when it is powered or when it is preheated enough for baking. You will also love the non-stick baking plates that are very easy to clean. I only wish it came with a handle that make it easy for one to move it around. Reasons to buy. It is quite small in size, which makes it take up very little kitchen counter space. It is very light, which makes it very easy to carry around in case you need to move it. It is easy to clean thanks to the non-stick coating on the cooking plates. Thanks for watching. If you need more information, feel free to visit the link in the description box or the comments below. If this information helps you make the right decision, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. That's encouraged me to create more.